my name is Aida Lugo McAllister, author of Aida's Kitchen a lo Boricua, a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook. I am going to demonstrate how to prepare coquito, coconut eggnog. The coquito is a drink served during the Christmas holidays. At this time in Puerto Rico, a group of parranderos, or trullas, go house to house late at night, singing traditional Christmas songs, aguinaldos, along with playing our musical instruments. You welcome these guests into your home with appetizers and drinks, especially coquito. This tradition is a musical gift inherited from the Spanish colonies in Puerto Rico. The coquito recipe in my cookbook contains simple instructions for a creamy, delicious coquito that yields approximately 1 gallon. This recipe has several extra food preparation steps for a creamy coquito flavored with lemon and cinnamon that will yield at least 1.5 gallons. For this recipe, you will be using 14 egg yolks. Do not throw away the egg whites. I made this delicious chocolate angel food cake with the egg whites. You will also need the rinds from 2 lemons. I filled this pitcher with water and squeezed in the lemon juice from the lemons and made lemonade. These are just several suggestions that you can use for the food items not being incorporated into this recipe. The first step is to prepare the lemon water mixture. We can start with peeling the lemons. To remove the rind of a lemon, cut off both ends using a knife. Make a slit lengthwise, barely touching the flesh. Peel the lemon using your hands. Cut the rinds into smaller pieces. In a small saucepan, add 3 cups of water, 2 cinnamon sticks, and the lemon rinds from 2 lemons. Cook over medium-low heat until the liquid in saucepan is reduced to approximately 1 cup, stirring occasionally. The liquid will turn into a light brownish color. After 20 minutes of simmering, the amount of liquid is reduced and the liquid has a light brownish color due to the cinnamon sticks. We can now strain the lemon water mixture using a fine mesh sieve into a measuring cup. Remove sieve and set aside. The next step is to separate 14 egg yolks from the whites using an egg separator. I place the egg separator on top of bowl, which works like a strainer. Crack an egg into it, and the egg yolk will remain on top while the white will run into the bowl. Place the egg yolk in a separate bowl. We just completed separating 14 egg yolks. Let's now prepare the egg yolk sugar mixture. In a large bowl, add 14 egg yolks and 2 cups of sugar. With a hand mixer, beat the ingredients at high speed until a creamy texture is formed. The egg yolk sugar mixture is ready and set aside. To prepare the coconut milk mixture, we will be using 3 cans, 15 ounces of cream of coconut, 3 cans, 13.5 ounces of coconut milk, and 4 cans, 12 ounces of evaporated milk. When I open the cans of cream of coconut and coconut milk, I insert a long spoon into each can and stir the content to combine the coconut cream and coconut water before pouring into a bowl. This is the Goja brand, but you purchase the brand of your preference. We are ready to prepare the coconut milk mixture. Add 1 can of cream of coconut into a large bowl. With a spoon, mix until well blended. Each can contains 15 ounces. Repeat this process for the remaining 2 cans of cream of coconut. We just finished mixing the cream of coconut. We can now add 1 can of coconut milk into the bowl. Mix until well blended. Each can contains 13.5 ounces. Repeat this process for the other 2 cans of coconut milk. The cream of coconut and the coconut milk have been thoroughly mixed. Let's pour the remaining ingredients to the coconut milk mixture. 4 cans of evaporated milk. Each can contains 12 ounces. And 5 tablespoons of vanilla flavoring. With a hand mixer, beat the ingredients until well blended. We prepared the lemon water mixture, the egg yolk sugar mixture, and the coconut milk mixture. We're going to combine all 3 mixtures and add approximately 17 ounces, 500 milliliters of white rum. I use the Bacardi brand, but you use the brand of your preference. Let's add the lemon water and creamy egg yolks into the coconut milk mixture. Pour the white rum. Beat all the ingredients until a creamy texture is formed with the hand mixer. The last step is to strain the coquito. Place a fine mesh sieve over a large bowl. Pour the coquito through the sieve and strain. This will remove any coconut pieces from the ingredients and create a much creamier texture. Remove sieve from the bowl. Here you have a smooth and creamy coquito, coconut eggnog. the coquito into several glass bottles or pitchers of various sizes. After pouring the coquito in various containers, cover and refrigerate until served. I normally refrigerate the coquito for at least 2 days before serving to allow the flavors to develop fully. I normally shake the bottle or stir the pitcher of coquito to mix all the ingredients before pouring. Since this drink is very rich, I serve the coquito coconut eggnog in small drinking glasses. And sprinkle with ground nutmeg on top. Aquí tengo mi coquito. Here is my coconut eggnog. Let's taste it. The coquito has a silky smooth texture with cinnamon, vanilla, and lemon flavors. You can definitely taste the white rum. By the way, add the amount of white rum according to your taste. This coquito will make an excellent Christmas gift. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare coquito, coconut eggnog. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.